Thank you for your time. One of the questions that we've been having is, why are the videos lacking, devoid of background information and supporting material? The videos are devoid of background information and supporting material for a couple of reasons. One is these are the initial videos that we want to put out to get a clear, sharp, simple message across around a complicated subject. Secondly, the early adopters, those that are driving the transformation, transforming knowledge worker roles, are up to speed with a lot of the required contextual information. So we're assuming that it is there, but we do hope to address this going forward. And thirdly, this is not a lightweight topic. This is not a lightweight Harry Potter read for fun. If you're serious about business transformation, knowledge worker roles, then these videos are targeted for you, giving you short, sharp information that's needed in short pieces, in short bites of information, so that you can mix and match as is required. We do hope to provide greater background information. Please feel free to get further details from the book, including case studies, scenarios, exercises, and practical implementation details. The book is available direct from the publisher, Amazon, or other bookstores. Any author profits from the book and the videos go to charity and community purposes. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed the session and look forward to your comments. Don't forget to subscribe so that we can help you, and please make the most of the other videos.